Hey. Thank you for making it to part 2 of this video. So take this time right now, try and summarize these 2 points in your notes. For example, if I was going to summarize it, I would put Earth is becoming overpopulated, and if we don't do something soon, we are going to run out of resources. That could be an example of something you summarize it with. So as a reminder, if you don't remember how to do the Cornell notes, the teacher side is basically the words on the screen. So put in your words, Earth is overpopulated and we will run out of resources eventually. So that's one of the fears. If we do become overpopulated, we're going to fight over things like food and water, something that's really common right now, but might not be. And for the right side, you can give me an example of overpopulation, or you can get a picture. I myself really like pictures, so I'm going to go to insert and then search the web and then look at an overpopulation meme or a GIF or just overpopulation thing. Not really liking it. Overpopulation right now is especially bad because of COVID, but I want you to think beyond that a little bit and like, why would it be bad besides COVID? Next thing, so here are just instructions about how to do the Cornell notes. And now we're going to be going over terminology to help you get through the rest of the unit. Our first word is carrying capacity, which is the max number of individuals in population that the environment can support. So take this time and write down the definition of carrying capacity on the left side. And then on the right side of your notes, give me an example of carrying capacity, like look up the carrying capacity of something, or give me a picture of carrying capacity. Both of those work. So take this time, pause the video, and then write the definition of carrying capacity down in your own words. Next, limiting factor. So limiting factor means a biotic or abiotic environmental factor that restricts the growth of a population. So that could be like Thanos. Thanos is trying to restrict the growth of humans and everyone else in the world. Or it could be like food. That's something that restricts the growth of a population. Or like predators also restrict growth. So these are all things that are limiting factors. So pause the video and write down the definition of limiting factor and then get a picture or give me an example of limiting factor. Next thing, there are 2 types of growth that I want you to know. There's exponential growth. Exponential growth is a rapid increase due to an abundance of resources. And if someone is in exponential growth, then there are no or very little predators. You guys may know an example of something that's growing like this. That would be humans. Right now, humans aren't slowing down. Our population graph looks like this. We don't have any predators. There aren't tigers on the street killing us every day. There are things that can kill us, but nothing is killing us before people have babies, generally. So right now, write down exponential growth. And then the other type is logistic growth. Logistic growth is most animal populations or plants, they will have an S growth shape. So it'll grow really fast and then slow down, and then eventually it'll hit carrying capacity. The graph will flatten out. Humans will flatten out eventually. We don't have enough resources to just exponentially grow forever. We will eventually have an S curve or logistic growth. We might even be seeing it now with COVID. So that's the second type. Please write it down and then get a picture. And then we're going to do a Kahoot to get you ready for the quiz later this week. Thanks everyone for staying it for both parts of the video. See you guys tomorrow.